Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I am going to show you real quick how you can easily get started with Midjourney. So first thing you need to do is go over to midjourney.com, press enter, and when you are on this beautiful website, as you can see, you have to click on sign in. Now I already have a Midjourney account, so when I click on sign in, it will automatically bring up this, but if you don't have account already, you just have to log into your account or create a new one. It's very simple. You just have to create an account in Midjourney and Discord. And then when you are done creating your account, this will pop up and you have to click on authorize this to allow Midjourney bot to your Discord. Now you have to join the Discord server of Midjourney. So as you can see in Midjourney, you have community showcase. So here you can see images of the community. Oh, this one is really nice. I like it. So, and you have to go on home and then click this button, join the Discord to start creating. And as you can see, it will load up this page and Midjourney will send you an invite to join their server. As you can see, there is 1 million users already online and 15 million members. So just click on accept invite and it will accepting invite. And then it may ask you to verify if you are a real person, but if not, it will straight throw you to this Discord app in your browser. And as you can see, Midjourney server is already here, so you are joined already. As you can see, this will load up quite a little while, but that's because everybody is using it. As you can see, 1 million users is really a lot. So this is how you can easily get started with Midjourney. If you want to see another tutorial where I'll show you how you can create images and realistic ones or paintings, then check out my other tutorials on this channel. Every tutorial will be in the playlist Midjourney, so check out this one and see you in there. Thank you much for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.